My name is Stephen and this is my channel, Heart's Delight Exports. Okay, so we're down in my backyard again today, and it's time to do a job that I've been threatening to do for a little while. It's time to take down my greenhouse. I want to try to get garlic in the ground before frost really sets in good, and this thing's got to go because that's right where I want to put the garlic. Okay, so you want to see what I got to do? First thing I need to do is strip off all the plastic. It's not so difficult so much, but some of those battens I got on there need to come off. On some spots I just drove in nails to make little U-nails. Drove them in halfway and bent them over to secure parts of the fencing to the wooden framework that I used to hold it up. I'll show you that now, but now's the more difficult part of taking those out again and finding all the ones I put in there in the first place. In the corners I used metal wire to hold chain link fence piece to this wire rack piece. This helps stabilize the greenhouse a lot. Now of course I'm just breaking it. I cut this off with the angle grinder. I'll probably be doing more of this when I put the roof and everything back together, because I'm going to need to cut a gable end. And it's likely to be cut out of this piece. Now this mess of plastic was my door. All I had done was create a flap, put this stick up, and had a stick nailed to the plastic. Double, how to put it? I had a stick nailed to another stick, sandwiching the plastic in between. It put a weight on the plastic to help keep it in place. And when I wanted to get inside, I just folded it back triangularly. It did okay. This was my water catchment system, and it worked well enough to fill a 50-gallon bucket over the summer. I need to save this for reuse on the new greenhouse. After all, filled barrel. Now she's mostly unsecured. Alright, now that I have that all deconstructed, I can start worrying on putting things together the way I want. And that could end up being a separate video. So I hope you've enjoyed my little demolition project. I know it wasn't exactly C4 and gasoline or anything, but still fun. And also, maybe you should let me know what you think of this new video format and stuff. Or can you even tell the difference? I filmed this video and my harvest video on my new iPod. I'm not really partial to it myself, but it does give me the benefit of being highly portable, battery powered, as long as the battery lasts. But it does tend to leave bars on the side of the video, and I'm gonna have to do something about the tripod, about the camera holding piece. So let me know what you think of it. Should I keep going with this? I'm still partial to the laptop idea, even if it's not as portable as I would like. Okay, so leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Alright, I'll see you next time I'm doing something.